In this video, I'm going to show you how to refill a soap dispenser. It's very easy, so let's get started. So here is a soap dispenser that we use in our kids' bathroom, and occasionally it'll run out of soap. It's very easy to refill this canister. The first step is you just need to unscrew the top, twist it counterclockwise, and it will come right off. And you can see that there's the pump with the straw that goes into the soap. So I'll set that right there. And right here you can see that this is the canister that holds the soap inside of it. It's just low. This is a hand soap refill container. Just need to take the lid off and flip it upside down. And squirt the soap in. And then fill it back up to the top. Place the lid back on. I overfilled 1 second. Let me clean that off. Okay, got that cleaned off. Now it's full of soap. Just need to do a couple of pumps to get the air out of the straw so that it can have more soap, so that our kids can start cleaning their hands again. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.